Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review a wireless charger, but not any wireless charger. This is a wireless charger that is actually a 3-in-1 one you can charge your phone, smartwatch and earbuds with. So quite an interesting proposition here from CAVN, that's spelt C-A-V-N. And as usual, we'll be putting a link in the description to where you can find this on Amazon UK. And more importantly, it will be an affiliate link, so if you do purchase from there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. Now, CAVN very kindly sent us this review device, and we'll be testing it with a series of devices at the same time. The packaging is simple, it's a cardboard box as it arrives from Amazon. It has a few details, such as the details of the power output, and I'll just read that to you. The key thing is that it's 9-volt 2-amp input, so that's an 18-watt input. It has 2.5-watt output for the watch charger. It has 3-watt output for the earphone charger, and 15 watts maximum output for the phone. But the total maximum output your wireless charger will give you in this case is 18 watts across all devices. So packaging, as I said, is simple. Let's open it up. There's no need for my jerry-rig everything knife here. And as I open it up, I have plastic innards. Now the plastic innards give us a few things. First thing we see here is a UK travel adapter. So this, as we saw on the packaging, is an 18-watt charger, which powers out at 9-volt 2-amp, 18 watts, or 12-volt 1.5 amp, which is also 18 watts. So great to see that there. UKCA approval sticker there, which is great. So decent charger by the looks of it. It's not a gallium nitride one. Let's look at the charger itself. Oh, and there's also a cable here. That cable has an orange bit on the USB-A and USB Type-C on the other side, so it's USB-A to USB Type-C. What I'll do is pop that into the charger, put the charger and power up the device so we can show it to you in action. And this is the charger itself. It's quite a compact thing, which is great for travel. And as you can see, there's a base at the bottom, and if you open it up, it has space for charging your phone and an extra little one for hanging a smartwatch. Now, I don't have any wireless smartwatches that use wireless C standard, but this could be the option for you to slow charge a phone overnight. Now, this is probably a great way to put your devices at your side when you're, say, in a hotel room. You plug into the mains, and as you see, you've got a nice little green LED bar around the sides of it. I actually quite like that. That's not too bright either. So let's have a look at this. So we're going to try first off with the, in this case, the iPhone 13 Pro. To put that there, and it is saying that it's charging, so I'm seeing that it's charging, and that's a good sign. The LED has changed from green to gently breathing or gently glowing blue, so that seems to be working with the iPhone 13 Pro. No issues there. And let's try, in this case, the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Again, seems to be working fine. I'm seeing 100% battery charge, but it is showing the power input. And let's take it a step further. Let's see another phone with wireless charging. In this case, the Google Pixel 5. So yes, that is charging. We see power on. So this obviously means that this charger works fine with wireless Qi charging. Let's see what happens when I put the phone on the bottom. And I'm getting a charge there as well. So if you're someone like me who travels with more than one device at any given time, you can pop another phone on here. Yes, so I'm getting a charge both on the iPhone and the Google Pixel 5. Let's see if we can balance the Google Pixel 6 on the top here. Maybe need to open this a bit. No. So that's not going to work. What I'll do is I'll get out an accessory I do have that I use still quite a lot. Is the LG Tone Free FN6 earbuds. And the light has just come on, so that obviously works on the watch stand as well. So you have space for charging a watch or earphones, 2 phones, and any combination of whichever is practical here. So great overall product from what I can see here. Let's try folding down the earbuds and folding down that and see how it works just folded down. Does it work? No. Okay, that's interesting. So, oh, no, there it is. I've hit the sweet spot with the Google Pixel 5. So it does work folding down, but I think the real value here is having it standing up, being able to put your phone down on the wireless charging stand and maybe charging an accessory at the bottom, and essentially getting yourself a nice wireless charging stand that will charge multiple devices whilst you are traveling. And it, as I said, it comes with a handy UK adapter, UK travel adapter, as well as that USB Type-C cable. So first impressions, very, very positive. What we'll do, as I said at the beginning, is give you a link in the description to where you can find this product on Amazon UK. We'll add a link in the description and ask you to also check out for some special offers, because these products often are on sale on UK Amazon, which means you'll maybe not be paying the close to £40 that the list or recommended retail price is. By the looks of it, this is a great sturdy device, handy for travel. Obviously we don't have time to review this on the road today, but later this month I will be going away for a few days. So what I'll do is I'll take this charger with me and see how it performs charging my wireless Qi devices overnight whilst I'm away. But for now, thanks for watching. Thank you to our friends at CAVN or CAVN for sending us this review device of their 3-in-1 wireless charger. I will leave my Pixel 5 here on charge to get it up to full after the latest Android update from Google. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.